Hi guys, welcome back to the beautiful capital city of Switzerland, Bern. And this beautiful view on the bank of River Are flows around the city from three sides, giving it an iconic picturesque sight. The most touristic thing to do and observe would be skydiving, and even if you cannot be a part of the sport, one can still enjoy the sky with the divers, which itself is an amazing experience in the landscape of the city. Can you spot those divers? I hope you can. It's beautiful when you see from a distance. The city of Bern was founded in the 12th century as a military post because of its strategic location. Moreover, the old town is connected to newer parts of the city with several bridges, giving an architectural significance and landmark. The historic old town is also cited as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Once you get into the old town, which is best explored by walking, you can observe the architectural facades of the building lined in a row. The fun fact about Bern is it has an official language as German, more specifically the Bernese German, like with a different accent. Also, French and Italian is being spoken in few parts. Although it's an old town, the facade has a rich ornamental elements that gives an authentic look to the old city building. Another thing that I noticed while walking in the town that the middle of the street had a water channel throughout with a heavy water flow, which you can hear it out as well. Bern is commonly also known as the City of Fountains, with more than hundreds of them throughout the city, most of which are located in the historic old town. A lot of fountains are several centuries old, with their intricate and decorative designs. They remain maintained as functional as ever, and the water through them is safe and free to drink. And you can come across them on every 2 to 3 meter distance. This is not it. There are other governmental buildings such as this one reflecting the local character of the city. Along with the religious building like this cathedral showing its Gothic architectural style and arts. And my favorite part of all was coming across the former residence of Mr. Albert Einstein. The first floor is converted into museum showing the living situation of the former scientist, and it is said he wrote his famous theory of relativity in modern physics in this very house. Equals to MC square. If you are a fan or interested in science, you will relate with me that how our childhood memories are equally proportional to learning Einstein's theory. This 800-year-old medieval clock tower is the landmark and one of the oldest monuments of the city, built in 13th century, which served as a multifunctional element of the city, being it as a guard tower to civic memorial. And as you moved inside the tower, it is packed with number of artistic paintings. Each painting has some story to tell. That's it for now, you guys. I hope you liked it and it was informative for you. Do subscribe to my channel and see you until next.